Hello everyone and welcome back to website branding creation video series once again. And as we have seen in the last few videos, we have learned how to pick up different modules. Now let's continue from the same. So till now we have learned how to use the bar counter. Let us this time use the blog section. So as the name suggests, by using this section or by using this module, whatever blogs we have written on our website, that will start appearing wherever we are using this module. For example, on my website, the various blogs are written on so many categories. So I can select a specific category. For example, I want blogs from AdWords and autonomic bidding strategy to be appearing in front of me. Apart from these two categories, I can even select the date format. Even do I need to show the excerpt length or not. Even I can select what should be the length of the excerpt, and do I want to show the featured image. Many times you must have seen that on the blogs the read more button appears. So by activating this button, you can see the read more button that would be appearing on the blog. If you want to hide the author's name, then you may activate the same from here, but I would suggest to keep the author name active. You can even select or to remove the date from the blogs or the categories. So these are the small options which are available in the blog module. Now let us look what are present in the advanced section, that is in the design of the blog module. So right now this is full width. So if I need, I can make it a grid. Full width means all the blogs would be appearing one after another. Let's first have a look how a full width blog section will appear. So if I'll just do a preview, so all the blogs which were there under the category would be appearing something like this, that is one blog after another blog. This type of alignment is called as a full width. Now suppose if I have selected a grid, then if I'll preview, it would be appearing in a grid format, that is one beside another rather than one after another. It would be appearing something like this. So according to your requirement or design, whichever way you want, you can use the layout of the blog module. Now if you wish, you can show the featured image, or you can even hide the overlay of the featured image. If I'll drop down, same, I can use the border sections. I can define or design the border of mine. I can select whether the image should be right side border style or what kind of border style it should be. Do I need the image box shadow to be embossed or any other kind of available options? What should be the hue, saturation, brightness, and many other options which are present in the Divi builder would be coming one after another. So I want the text to be centrally aligned and stuff like this, and the heading to be H1. You can select what kind of the font size should be, the font styling. Like suppose on a random I have selected any of the font. Just let's have a look. How is it looking like? You can see the heading of all the blogs have changed. So you can do the same from here, or from cabin if I'm changing it to any other. You can very easily notice earlier the name of the blogs were appearing in different fonts. Now the fonts have changed. So based on your requirement or your preference, you can choose whatever font you want, what should be the font weight, that is should be regular or a bold, and all the options from here could be easily selected according to the requirement of yours. This was all about the blog module section that you can use on your websites. I hope the blog module is clear to you all. Stay tuned on this video series so that you would be knowing all the remaining modules of Divi. Thank you.